Alright, wait, hold on. Alright, rock and roll.
That's badass. I like it. Good.
You're shooting a lot better. You're spent. Good job, that was 10. You got 2 in the
head.
heart. That's good.
I'm trying to get the head.
The head? Oh, now you can aim for head. Just take your time. Breathe. You're low, Chris. Higher. Good shot. Shot on target.
Yeah. Actually, it's more accurate. Yeah. I was like, 4. Like, that broken one. It broke.
That's 10. Good job. You did well. Check it out. I asked you to aim in here. You got 4 in there. You got 4 in there. That's good. That's a kill. That's a heart. You got 2 in the head. This is good shooting here. This is aggressive shooting. This is your best target shooting of the day. And those are 2 really
That'd be
good
like
ones.
right here.
Huh?
It'd be in the solar plex?
Yeah, that's solar plate. That's lungs, and yeah, that's good. That's good shooting. That's your best shooting of the day. Good job on that.